Hi everyone, I'm Corine.
I'm Greg.
And welcome to Goodbye Gluten, where
saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
Okay, so today we are doing another product review. These things we have not tried. It's from the Better Goods brand. This is a chicken and maple breakfast sausage link, and this one is chicken and apple breakfast sausage link. So first of all, I've never had chicken sausage before. I've had maple sausages before, and those are pretty good. She hasn't had these yet either, so they are gluten-free, fast to cook and easily. 140 calories per serving. That's 3 links. Okay, there's chicken meat, water, syrup, maple, natural spices, vegetable oil, blah, 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 blah. So,
I can tell you, I can smell the maple, and I'm not a huge fan of sweet sausage. I'm, a plain Jimmy Dean pork sausage kind of person.
Jimmy Dean's our favorite.
Yeah.
I don't taste the maple at all, even though it smelled like maple. It's not bad. I mean, what did you think of it?
No.
No?
Ooh. Oh, man. That's definitely got some spice.
Really? You thought it was spicy?
I'm getting a little bit of spice, and I'm getting a whole lot of maple. Ooh.
Yeah, I barely even get any maple. She needs a chaser.
Oh, man. No, thank
You want to drink some just natural soy sauce to get rid of that flavor? Okay, let's try the apple and chicken.
Breakfast. Okay.
Now
this smells like apple pie.
That's literally what I was going to say. It smelled
Yeah.
like a mincemeat or apple pie. Bland. Completely bland. Doesn't taste like there's any salt.
Mm-mm. I get the apple, but I would not buy these again. Mm-mm.
Let's give them the rating 1 through 10. And which one was your best and favorite? Which one was the worst?
I would give them both a 0.
So both are the worst. If you had to eat one to survive on a desert island, which one would you eat?
I'd eat the sand.
Oh, or just use them for bait, whatever comes along.
Yeah, I'd catch a fish with them. I'm sorry, Better Goods is, I don't like flavored sausage. It comes down to that. I like plain, simple sausage, not a lot of weird flavors.
I'm giving them like a 2 out of a 10 and a 1 out of a 10, just for the sheer factor is didn't have any flavor, I thought. Like, there was no real sausage flavor because it is chicken.
You might want to rate them higher because you're going to be finishing these bags.
I don't know about that one. But anyways,
right,
there's definitely something for you to try out if you like chicken sausages, if you like maple sausages. We're basically going to say these are a no-go and a hard pass for us for the next time.
I mean, what I will say is these have, per serving, 10 grams of protein, 3 grams of added sugars, and a little bit of fiber. Probably where they compete or compare to regular sausage is there's less fat in them. So if you are needing to do that and are somebody who likes flavors in your sausage, these might be a really good fit for you.
Or you have no taste buds.
Yeah. All right. Well, anyways.
So, thank you very much for checking out our video. Remember what we always say here at Goodbye Gluten.
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
And these aren't great.